talk like a dude, how to
spit like a dude, like a dude. I've always wanted to learn how to spit like a man or dude.
That's f***ing gross.
What do you say, Jack? Can you teach me?
Please? Maybe some other time.
Oh, come on. I'm sure it wouldn't take long. Here, I'll show you how far I can spit.
The winds are blowing kinda strong.
Oh,
Did you just spit on me? Come back here, you stupid bitch!
Courtney, you shall asketh your male suitor if he would liketh to accompany our party to supper.
What?
Asketh your...
Speak Simlish.
Oh my god, ask Jack if he wants to go to dinner with us.
I'd love to. Why don't you just say that?
I was trying to speak like proper high class, Courtney.
You sound high.
I wanted to formally apologize to Chloe and Mr. Dawson for my behavior earlier. I'm usually not like that.
Apology accepted.
Your apology.